guys, so we're here near Prim, and this is like the biggest like petrol station that there is here in Vegas. But right now Ozzy is behind me. He ended up going, which is good because now he can just like sleep until we get to California. Oh, we're so excited, you guys. Like, we are beyond excited, so I cannot wait. So we made it to the hotel. When I tell you that was intense just on the freeway, that was crazy intense, okay? But Richard did so well. You guys, I can smell the beach from here. It smells so freaking good. But he's just about to check us in. Hopefully we can get checked in. That way I can like shower and just kind of like freshen up. There is a kebab shop right in front of me. That's what we're gonna be having tonight. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Well, in the room. Hey guys, so we just got to our hotel. This is the hotel that we're staying in. But look how cool, you guys. You can have the door open. And I mean, it's not the best view, but it's a beautiful view in my eyes. So it's pretty cool. Whoa. But yeah, Ozzy, where are you? Oh. He's over there. So cute. Alright, guys, time to get clean. So I'm about to jump in the shower, but I did want to show you the bathroom. This is it. It's pretty cool. It's the mirror, so okay, I'm about to jump in, you guys, so I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I just freshened up. I kind of redid my hair. But right now we're probably gonna go and see what we can get to eat. We're not gonna drive right now because we are gonna drive later on. So we're just gonna cross the street and hopefully get something to eat because we are hungry and just ready to relax. But tonight is the SWAN ride and I'm super excited for that one. So let's go. Guys, so we're actually gonna head off to Manhattan Beach. We're gonna scratch the kebab. We decided that we wanted to go see a beach, so why not Manhattan? And it says that it's 9 minutes away, so let's go. guys, so we're heading to the hotel again. Unfortunately, the food that we had was not really good. I had carbonara, but I swear to you guys, I did not want to say it though, but it tastes like okay, but it actually looked like straight up vomit. And that, like, the more I was eating, the more I was thinking that, and I was getting like hella grossed out. So I was like, no, I'm good. So yeah, but yeah, we're going back home to Mr. OZZIE, and we'll be back tomorrow with him. So. So we're actually in Long Beach. This is how it looks. It's so pretty, you guys. We're gonna go to the SWAN boat soon. But look at this car, you guys. Look at that car, you guys. Guys, we made it to the SWAN. I'm so excited. We're gonna take OZZIE with us, and it's so pretty. All right, guys, we're riding.
I won't talk.
We're riding right now. We're trying not to hit like the buoy, but it's pretty cool. The whole gang is here. Oh my god, you guys, this is so much fun. Look at the view. Guys, so I'm just at the back here with Goggies. Look at him. Let me tell you, he loves it. Absolutely loves it. You guys, this ride is $12 each, so it's $22. And it's so cool. It's a whole hour, so it's really, really cool.
You like it, boy? You like it, boy?
Pretty good. You guys, my captain is pretty good at driving this.
Aye, man.
This is such a pretty night too. Look, you guys, all the swans. This is so pretty. Look, you guys, we have the gokster here, laying down, of course. He's so tired. I love this. I'm just riding at the back, you guys, while Richie kind of takes lead, because I got the gokster with me. So, but yeah, you guys, if you are ever in California, definitely check it out. It's the Rainbow Swans.
Rainbow, yeah, the SWAN
right?
boats at the Rainbow Lagoon in
Long Beach. $12 each, the tickets. I would suggest to do it online because you do have to reserve. It is for a whole hour, so you pretty much get to chill. So yeah.
Pedal, 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 pedal. Not pedal.
Alright guys, we're heading to the dock because we want to explore that area over there. But it's so beautiful. And it's like 8:30. Oh, wow.
Remember what you said when we come in? Do we come in from that way?
Yes.
Or from the left side? Right?
No.
Squad.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh my god, there's a chair. That is so cool. Oh, look at this. Oh. It's a roller coaster over there. That's too crazy. There's Ozzie's in there sleeping. He's tired. Guys, we got churros. Okay guys, so we got the churros with the marshmallow dipping and it's very, 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 very sweet. Like it's almost like too potent.
Turning into a marshmallow, so you're like, almost.